Ready to upgrade your lifestyle? Today we're stepping into Dixon Trail by KB Home, where modern designs meet oversized lots and mountain views come standard. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, upgrading, or just dreaming big, this community has something for you. Let's get started. You won't want to miss this. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in San Diego, then subscribe and click the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select From Your Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below. And don't forget to share with your friends and family if you like this video. And I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego. Now let's check out Dixon Trail Homes. Hey there, future homeowners and real estate enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where we turn your home buying dreams into reality. I'm Victoria Sandoval, your trusted San Diego real estate expert with 22 years of experience. And today we're diving into one of Escondido's newest and most exciting communities, Dixon Trail by KB Homes. Stick around because by the end of this video, you might just find your next dream home. Nestled in the heart of Escondido, Dixon Trail is an exclusive community featuring 64 premium home suites. Whether you're looking for a cozy single story or a spacious 2-story home with up to 5 bedrooms and options for a 3-car garage, this community has something for everyone. And let's not overlook the outdoor spaces. With oversized lots, you have the freedom to create your own backyard oasis, to be a garden, a play area for the kids, or an entertainment hub for the weekend barbecues. Plus, those mountain views are absolutely priceless. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any neighborhood tours. And oh, speaking of making moves, whether you're buying or selling, grab those free guides in the description below. They're packed with insider info you don't want to miss. So whether you're a growing family or a young professional or looking to downsize without compromise, Dixon Trail offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. With its prime location, modern home designs, and the plethora of amenities, it's no wonder this community is generating so much buzz. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this walkthrough of Dixon Trail, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't keep this real estate goodness all to yourself. Share it with friends and family who might be looking for their next home. And hey, if you're thinking about buying or selling, check out the links in the description to download my free buyer and seller guides. They're packed with tips to make your next real estate move smooth and stress-free. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the homes themselves. KB Homes offers a range of floor plans here at Dixon Trail, starting from approximately $979,000. Each home is designed with modern living in mind, featuring an open concept layout, energy efficient appliances, and the opportunity to personalize design elements to suit your unique style. Working from home? No problem. These homes offer flexible spaces that can be transformed into the perfect home office, ensuring productivity and comfort go hand in hand. All right, before we dive into more reasons Dixon Trail just might be your dream home community, let's take a second to talk business. If you're serious about real estate in San Diego, click on the links in the description below for my free buyer and seller guides. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone you know who might be ready for a new home adventure. Sharing is caring. And when it's time to unwind, these expansive bedroom suites with walk-in closets offer a serene retreat. At the end of the day, it's all about comfort and style. Let's not forget the heart of the home, the kitchen. KB Home provides modern kitchens overlooking the large great rooms, perfect for entertaining and daily living. With options to customize, you can create a culinary space that truly reflects your taste. And for active folks, there are numerous hiking trails nearby, offering a great way to stay fit and enjoy the natural beauty of Escondido. And with family-friendly parks close by, weekend picnics and playdates are a breeze. Shopping and dining options? Check and check. The Escondido Mall and a variety of local boutiques and eateries are within easy reach, ensuring that you have everything you need without venturing too far from home. When it comes to recreation, residents of Dixon Trail are spoiled for choice. Love the outdoors? Dixon Lake Park is just around the corner, offering fishing, boating, and hiking opportunities. And for those who enjoy a good glass of vino, the Escondido wine region has over 20 wineries, and it's only a short drive away. Cheers to that. Now let's talk education. Dixon Trail is conveniently located near several reputable schools. For the little ones, there's Orange Glen Elementary School just under a mile away. As they grow, Hidden Valley Middle School and Orange Hidden Glen High School are both about 2.3 miles from the community. These schools are a part of Escondido's Union School District, known for its commitment to student achievement and community involvement. All right, I'm outside of model 3031. This is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath with a 3-car garage and a loft. Now, it was available for $1.1 million. It is currently sold out. There's a waiting list that's about a year out. There's about 60 people on that waiting list. But the great thing about this property or this community is you get to pick your own upgrades. This particular model has $100,000 worth of upgrades, but when you purchase one of these KB homes, you get to go to the design center, select your own upgrades for that dream home of yours. There also are incentives if you go through their in-house financing. They offer a rate buy-down program, and they can lock your rate for up to 6 months. So once you secure one of these babies, you can lock your rate 6 months ahead of time to make sure it doesn't go up. Now let's go check out this beauty. All right, so we are now at the 1-story home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2 to 3 car garage, and it has a flex room. Now it's optional. You can enlarge the garage or have a flex room. Now, this particular property is also sold out for the next 2 months. We are in December of 2024. Now I want to bring up that the flex room costs about $75,000 more than the other models that are also 3 to 4 bedrooms, Plan 2058 and Plan 2381. They're also 1-story, 3 to 4 bedroom homes, but they do not have the flex room. Those are a little less expensive in price because they don't have that flex room, and those are available today. So remember, Plan 2058 and 2381, they range between 2,058 square feet to 2,381 square feet, and those are listed between $979,900 and $1,020,000. Those are available today, but we are not looking at those today. But they do not have the flex room that this one has. This is very much similar to those other plans that are available, but this has the flex room and it is listed at $1,090,000. So again, you're paying about $75,000 more for that flex room. But if you like this floor plan and you don't need that flex room and you want to buy one of these properties for about $75,000 more, those other options, Plan 2058 and 2381, those are your best bet and available now. Now let's go check out this 1-story. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Dixon Trail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more real estate insights, and share this video with family or friends who might be on the hunt for a dream home. And hey, if you're considering buying or selling, check out the links in my description. Download my free buyer and seller guides. They're packed with tips to help you navigate the real estate market like a pro. Until next time, happy house hunting. Bye.